Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a 36-inch bar, Oregon bar. It's got a sprocket nose on it, and this is for the vintage McCullochs. This will fit your McCulloch 125, the 797s, any of the large mount McCullochs. This will fit. And there's the pattern. You can match your pattern up with this, and it comes with a new 404 chain, skip sequence, .063 gauge, and I'm supplying a brand new 404 drive sprocket. And you can take a look down here. This bar is in great shape. So if you're running a vintage McCulloch and you need that longer bar for that saw, this would be a great bar and chain combo for it.